Alright, so today we're going to talk about facial expression. Facial expression is just showing your feelings on your face. And most of you guys are already experts. When you look at somebody, you can tell when they're happy or mad or sad just by looking at the expression on their face. So we're going to do a couple for practice, and then you can try some on your own. What I'm going to do, so I have a space to write multiple faces, is I'm going to fold my paper in half and fold my paper in half again. So when I open it up, I've got 4 boxes. And we're just going to start with a head shape. What shape is every head? Pretty much an oval. And I'm going to make an oval that fills up most of that box. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now, how's this face going to feel? Let's do an easy one first. And let's just do happy. So I do oval eyes. Circle in the middle. Little smiley mouth. And a lot of people try to make noses difficult. All I do is put a capital L for the nose. And there we have a little happy face. So let's try another one. Big oval for the head. And how's this one going to feel? Maybe this one is angry. So I'm going to start with the eyes. Oval, circle, oval, circle in the middle. But make your angry face. What is your face doing? I bet your eyebrows are scrunching down towards the middle by your nose, right? And then your mouth, it's not smiling anymore. It might just be straight across like this. Angry mouth. And then capital L in the middle for the nose. So there's 2. Let's try a couple more. Same thing. We start with a big oval. Oh, let's do a fun one. What about surprised? What does your surprised face look like? Surprised face. Oh, we got big, wide open eyes. I'm going to do all my eyes the same here. We've got maybe an open mouth, a surprised mouth. Put a little tongue in there. Eyebrows on a surprised face go way up to the top of your head. And then I'm just going to do another capital L for the nose. How about one more? Same thing. Big oval for the face shape. And how's this face going to feel? Maybe we do a nervous face. What would your nervous face look like? Well, let's start with the eyes. And when people are nervous, maybe they're not looking straight ahead at what's in front of them. Maybe they're looking down at their feet. So this guy's kind of looking down and away. Maybe your teeth are kind of clenched together like, I don't know. Do some teeth in there. That's pretty good nervous mouth. Then we go capital L for the nose. And just some little eyebrows. Oh, I didn't put eyebrows on my happy face. Everybody, every face should have eyebrows. Alright, now right now, these could be anybody. So let's try out a couple different hairstyles to make them more fun and unique to you. Now, if you're one of my people with short hair, you got the fresh fade. Maybe you hit the hairline like that, line it up. Maybe put the waves in it, bro. Just like that. Boom, that's how I do that fresh fade, bro. But maybe you have longer hair. Maybe it's in a ponytail, so we'll have some hair up here. Then maybe it's pulled back. A little poofy ponytail, put a hair tie on it. Boop. Or maybe you have long hair that kind of lays down, so put a little bit that's sitting on the top of the head. But then we'll have the hair coming down. And let's see, what's a style we haven't done? Oh, maybe you have some braids. So that could be a fun one. So we've got some hair up top. Maybe it's pulled back and we've got some braids. And the easiest way I know how to do that is I make a lot of small circles. Then if you have beads on the end, And a little bit left over there. And we could do that a few times, couldn't we? Small circles, small circles. Beads if you have them. And that's just a couple of ideas, but I think that's enough hairstyles to get started. And you could figure that out on your own. Oh, and then you could decorate too. Maybe you want to have like barrettes or a nice little pretty bow in here. You could do things like that too. Oh, but you know what I forgot? All these heads are kind of just floating around in space. I think they need at least a little bit of a body, right? When you take a portrait, you take a selfie, you're going to see a little bit of your body, right? So what I'm going to do is put 2 lines for the neck, a little loop for the shirt, and then shoulders coming down to the bottom of my box there. Check it again. Couple lines for the neck, little loop for the shirt, and then shoulders coming down. And we can have a lot of fun with this. You could do all kinds of different faces, facial expression. There's a lot more. We didn't do sad. We didn't do afraid. We didn't do embarrassed. And the list could go on and on. But I think that's enough to get you guys started in experimenting with facial expressions. Let me know how it goes.